What's up, guys? My name is Bill from HoloModels RC. I brought up my 3D printed Sportster that I designed, and right now I'm testing it to see how it performs taking off and landing from grass. So let's give it a shot. So if you haven't been following me, this model is available on cults3d.com. I will leave a link in the description to some other flight videos and where you can find and download the model. It prints completely in VASE mode without retractions. Solid tops and bottoms. Got an 8mm dowel going through the wing. Everything on it is PLA or pre-foam PLA, including the wheels, which are tires are TPU. So this flight, I'm just testing how it responds taking off and landing from grass. So get a couple touch and goes in here. Which I have never flown a 3D printed airplane and was able to take off or land from the grass unless it's a belly lander. I always got to chuck it. So this will be the first 3D printed airplane that I have ever taken off or landed from grass, especially doing touch and goes. So, which is an amazing feat of my dad. They just break so easy. I couldn't be more happy with the way that this thing turned out. Let's get a couple more touch and goes in here. I'm just trying to make sure the gear is not going to break or... It's actually pretty freaking amazing how it's responding to the grass. Let's do it going the other way now. It's okay if I break it because I only got 3 of these right now. Just drive around. Oop. That's why you don't do that. So this version, I've got a 36 motor in it. It does come with 2 motor mounts and all G codes. The motor mounts are printed out of ASA or ABS, preferably ASA. I've had better luck with that. Really easy airplane to fly. Highly recommend downloading it. And this thing just floats. It's like a trainer, I would like to say. You can be aerobatic with it, but it's just really easy to fly. Like I said, I will leave a link in the description to where you can download it, and if you want to check out some other flight videos I've got on YouTube. All the servos, they screw in. You don't have to cut the servos down or anything. And then I just use music wire for push rods. Alright, I'm going to get ready to bring this guy in. Hey guys, thanks for watching. My name is Bill from HoloModels RC. You can find my Sportster on cults3d.com. I'll leave a link in the description. And I will talk at you next time.